variety. As Janmashtami is around the corner, I want to make something sweet for my Laddu Gopalji, which is his favorite coconut laddus. Adding a very interesting ingredient to my coconut laddus, which is makhana. We all know that both these ingredients, coconut as well as makhana, are nutritionally very rich and they are full of fibers. So let's see how to make coconut makhana laddus. Please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such healthy and interesting recipes. So we have some interesting ingredients for our laddus. We have got two types of coconut. One is the fresh coconut, which we have taken out from these kind of coconut, the nariyal pani which we generally drink, and there is a malai inside this nariyal. So I have scooped out the malai of the fresh nariyal. So this is the fresh coconut, and this is the other coconut which we generally eat, and we make coconut chutneys using this coconut. So then we need makhana, 1 bowl of makhana, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Firstly, you can take a chopper or even you can take a mixer grinder, into which we'll add coconut, both kinds of coconut. We have roughly cut it into small pieces, and into this we'll add a little bit of sugar as well. And then you can add either milk or even you can add the fresh coconut water. So I am adding a little bit of milk. Now we'll open it, and our coconut mixture is ready. Firstly, we'll heat oil or ghee in our kadhai. So I've heated 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. To this we will add the crushed mixture of both kind of coconut which we had chopped in my chopper. We have to actually roast this mixture. It will take at least 10 minutes. We have to roast it on a medium flame. Simultaneously, we have dry roasted makhana, and we are roughly chopping the makhana in the same chopper, because we need a coarse makhana to add to our coconut mixture. You can roast the makhana in microwave as well as in a non-stick pan. Now we have roasted our coconut mixture. To this we will add the crushed makhana. Now we need to continue roasting all these ingredients nicely till we get a nice brown color, and you will also feel that the ingredients have been roasted well. Now we have roasted all our ingredients and allow it to cool down a bit so that we can make laddus out of this mixture. To this we will further add rose petals to enhance the color. Rose petals will give a very lovely, beautiful color as well as little bit flavor to our laddus. And then you can make nice laddus using this mixture. Coconut laddus ready. You can see the texture of the laddu has come out very nice. The coconut is coming out very apparent, and the rose petals are looking lovely too. So try making this recipe and do share your views with us. Thank you.